If this is your first time visiting the channel, please consider subscribing and smash that like button. I really would appreciate it. In this video, it's going to be real quick. Show you how to use these scissor jacks that usually you find in your vehicle. A lot of times people see them in their trunk. They don't know what to do with them. They don't know how to operate them. So I'm going to show you. It's not that hard. So the way these things operate, there's a little turn knob right here. You turn it to the right and it goes up. Okay, go to the left, it goes down. So what you do, but most vehicles, they have this pinch weld here, and it's a little like 1/8 inch thick piece of steel, and it goes along the length of the vehicle, and that's where you're going to put this slot in. You're going to put the pinch weld in between that slot. So you just line it up, and you just turn this till it goes all the way up, and then you can visually see where it needs to go, and then you just keep going until it stops. And then you just keep twisting it as hard as you can, and then that's where this tool comes in. Okay, this has a little C-shaped hook in there. That's where it's going to go, right in this little hole. All right, now just put your tool here that has the little C-shaped hook at the end. Put that through the hole of the handle, and then just turn it. Your left hand is going to go here on the straight shaft, and your right hand is going to go on the crank. So if you're left-handed, just reverse your hands and change your position, and just keep turning it until the tire is just right off the ground, so you can change it. And to lower it down, just go in the opposite direction. Actually, going and lowering it down is a lot easier. So just use your hand to lower it the rest of the way. That's all there is to it, guys. Real simple. So if you're stuck on the road and you got one of these in your truck, in your trunk, you know, you can use this. And I just showed you how to change the tire out in another video. So use it to your advantage. You don't have to wait for a tow truck or AAA to come out. Hope I instilled some type of confidence in you to use this to raise your vehicle up in case of an emergency. See you on the next one, guys. Y'all have a great day.